Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events. And I'm uneasy about this forecast this weekend, and I'm going to explain. For Valentine's Day, and now maybe looking more like Monday, too, that we're going to have to watch with two separate pieces of energy, and the one on the back end of it, the second one is the one to watch. But hey, this serves as a warning. I'm recording this Thursday, February 11th at 10:27. Guys, listen, if you are not thinking, if you know you're going to propose to your girlfriend on Valentine's Day, outdoors, doing something outdoors, you want to pay attention to this forecast. For Valentine's Day, especially that night, Sunday, and for all you guys who do have a significant other, don't forget it's Valentine's Day. Anyway, isn't that the truth, guys? Anyway, you're looking at the GFS, and this is the brand new run coming in this morning. You see strong area of Arctic high pressure, so we got a couple of nice days here, Thursday and Friday. Temperatures Friday near 60. We thought, we would get the rebound in temperatures, and So here comes that next push of Arctic air. You see, this is the area of high pressure at the surface, northeasterly winds. This blue line, very important. That right there represents the 540 thickness, and that basically tells us a good general idea of the rain-snow line. It gives us a great indication of that. And let me see if I can move this down just a little bit so I can move through here. But anyway, so the GFS has one piece of energy coming across, and with every run, there's less emphasis on this piece of energy coming across, and more emphasis, this is the GFS talking, with a wave of low pressure. This is on Monday. You see this coming across the state? Look at the 540 line across northern Arkansas. You see that? And you're thinking, oh, snow. But remember, that's just one indication. You have to look at surface temperatures, too. And I'm going to show you that in just a second. So you're getting rain according to this on Monday morning. And then look at that. This is what's really interesting. Late in the day Monday, there's the surface low. You see on the back side of it, where you get the counterclockwise flow, the flow of air into that low at the surface, and you get some wraparound moisture, and that thickness value dives. So you're talking about if you were to look at this on face value, you would say, okay, so now you're getting snow, the rain changing to snow. If the surface temperatures were to cooperate, now let me show you at 500 millibars. This is the upper level low at 500 millibars. When you have something that strong, you have to worry about what's called dynamic cooling, where you get so much lift. You see that right there? This is again about 20,000 feet up. This is vorticity. You get so much lift that it can cool the column, and that means cool it enough to support snow despite surface temperatures above freezing. Now, let me show you, before you get all excited, before everybody gets all excited about this, let's switch over to weatherbell.com. Let me just show you, this is the GFS, same computer model, same run, and there's the surface high. This is on Sunday morning at about 6 a.m. The red line is the 32-degree line. The blue line is the 35-degree line. You see the initial wave of moisture coming across. Sunday, it's got freezing rain and sleet across northern Arkansas. Quick moving and light. Sunday morning into Sunday afternoon, then it changes it to rain, and it's snow up towards the north. Cold rain at that. Now watch what happens with the surface low. You see this? This is Monday. That's just rain. There's the surface low. Here's the late in the day Monday. Remember I showed you it moving towards the east? There it is over eastern Mississippi and western Alabama. And like I said, on the back end of it, you would think by looking at the 540 thickness line, it would be snow. But no. The computer is showing rain with the freezing line towards the north. My concern here is that the computer model, the GFS, is not doing a good job handling the dynamic cooling that could possibly be occurring. So let's look at the surface temperatures at this time. Clearly turning colder. You see the warm air out ahead of it and the cold air coming out. Let's back this up a little bit. So this is Monday morning at 6 a.m., 41 degrees. I know it might be hard to read this. So this is Monday at noon, upper 30s, mid and upper 30s. And this is Monday late in the day. It's got temperatures in the 30s and low 40s. My concern, despite the computer model here showing, my concern is that it's showing rain, but my concern is that it is not handling it well, and this is one of those events that can surprise you. And you really have to watch and pay attention to model trends to see what happens. It could be just a cold rain, everybody. So that's what I'm saying. Don't get your hopes up on this. But there's that possibility that it could be something else. No matter what, and I don't think the computer model goes out this far at this point. Maybe it does. That's Wednesday. Let's go. I don't know if it goes. Okay, here's Thursday. It's still showing 50s and 60s across the state, but look at the 70s. I think this is more into Arkansas. I think there's more 70s and maybe near 80, especially across the western and southern portion of Arkansas. Huge, massive warm-up. So the bottom line right now, according to the GFS, it shows that we have a little bit of a wintry mix northern Arkansas Sunday and then just plain rain on Monday. I'm not willing to go 100% with that forecast. The Canadian model, on the other hand, let me show you the Canadian. Nope, not going to be able to show it to you there. Let me go. Just bear with me for 1 second. I'm going to get you the Canadian model. I'm going to do this for you because I love y'all. The Canadian. Start singing "Oh Canada" while I pull this up. It's taking me a little. I'll just zoom right into Arkansas here. Let me scoot this over. Here's the Canadian. This is why there's different. Oh, it's showing me the 12Z run. That's why. Oh, I know I can go back. Here's the 0Z run. Okay, so here's the 0Z run. This is Sunday morning. Look at the sleet Sunday afternoon. It's really showing the system on Sunday into Sunday night. Freezing rain and sleet, northern half. Look at that. That's Monday morning. Surface low is much further towards the north. And then it starts to exit by Monday afternoon as the surface low moves away. So there are differences in the models. Sorry you had to wait for me to get to that. But anyway, I'm going to keep y'all updated. There's something going on there. As always, the target area for anything looks to be northern Arkansas. The further south you go, the chances really dwindle, but it's worth watching. Thanks for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events.